There are huge efforts to solve the textile waste crisis, but the problem is growing every day. Industrial recycling in the EU manages less than 13% of all textile waste and 1% of used clothing waste. There's so much waste, and people are giving it away. But there are communities of people who are tackling this problem and giving each of us the power to join them. Crafting communities have existed as long as textiles have. They make production small-scale and local. They understand the time that goes into each piece and see the waste that comes out of it. Having these tools in the general population gives us a role in the means of production, and this can minimize waste drastically. BioPatchwork is a way to both use textile waste and bring textile fabrication to your home or workshop. You can create a leather-like material using bioplastic as a no-sew way to bind scraps together. It's an easy, accessible way into patchwork and a great way to use textile waste, as you can easily use mixed weight or thinning pieces and create durable fabrics. It's a great alternative to traditional patchwork for those like me with back issues who struggle to sit at a machine or hand sew for long periods. You just spread a base of bioplastic glue and place scraps on top in the desired pattern. No pinning, no sewing, easy, fast, and accessible for almost everyone. And at the end of its life, the fabric can be easily dissolved, the dissolved plastic biodegraded, and the scraps reused for a new life. The leather-like material lends itself well to bags or outerwear. BioPatchwork is a way to easily use your scraps, the last of the last, the things you can't find any use for, and create your own raw material. You can recycle and create at the same time, whether you have years of experience or it's your first time working with textiles. Textile waste is typically a problem. With BioPatchwork, you can easily turn your problem into something beautiful, built to last exactly as long as you want it to.